In the last video, we covered functions in all 4 languages. We also uploaded a short video explaining parameters and return types. If you missed it, check it out. Today, we're diving into loops, one of the most powerful concepts in programming. What are loops? Loops allow us to execute a block of code repeatedly until a condition is met. This avoids unnecessary repetition and makes programs more efficient. Every programming language supports 3 main types of loops, for loop used when the number of iterations is known. While loop runs as long as a condition is true, do while loop executes at least once before checking the condition. For loop, a for loop is commonly used when we know how many times we need to repeat a task. Example, printing numbers from 1 to 5 in all 4 languages. While loop, a while loop executes as long as the condition is true. Example, counting down from 5 to 1. Do while loop, do while is similar to while, but it executes at least once, even if the condition is false. Also, Python doesn't have do while loop. Example, printing 1 to 5. Advanced loop concepts. Nested loops, loop inside a loop. Loops can be placed inside each other to solve complex problems, such as printing patterns. Example, printing a right-angled triangle. Infinite loops, if a loop runs without stopping, it can crash the program. Example, break and continue statements. Break stops the loop completely. Continue skips the current iteration and moves to the next one. Example, skipping number 3 while counting 1 to 5. Loops help in reducing code repetition and making programs efficient. We covered 4, while, do while, nested loops, infinite loops, and break continue. In the next video, we will explore arrays and lists, how to store multiple values and manipulate them efficiently in all 4 languages.